Hi everybody, Andy here with eTrailer.com. Let's take a quick look at this white RV city water inlet with brass check valve. Now, if you're looking to swap out a worn or leaking city water valve on your RV, this replacement is going to make the job really simple. This is built from lead-free brass, and the valve is going to ensure clean, safe water without the risk of rust or contamination. And this does have a removable screen filter that is going to catch debris before it enters your system. And so you can remove that, clean that out, and pop that back in there when you need to. And then this is going to be a pretty simple hookup. This does not include any hardware or butyl tape, so you could pick that up separately from here or locally. And when this isn't hooked up, as you can see, this does have a tethered rubber cap that's going to keep the connection point protected when it's not in use. And the valve is set in a recessed mount plastic flange or dish that's going to be both UV resistant and corrosion proof, so it's going to hold up really well against the elements that it's going to be constantly exposed to. And then this is finished in a crisp polar white, so it's going to blend seamlessly with most RV exteriors. And again, you're not going to have to worry about this easily fading or wearing out or anything like that. So let me give you some measurements just so you can be confident this is going to work for you. So the fitting size is going to be 1/2 inch MPT. And while we're looking at the back of this here, let me see if I can show you that cutout diameter. We're pretty close to 3.5 inches on the cutout diameter. And then the outer diameter of the flange, about 4 3/4 inches. The flange depth, we're going to say 3/4 inch. And then the valve depth, as you can see there, is right at 2.5 inches. And then if you're wondering about the distance between the mounting holes, let me see if I can show that. Sometimes that can be tricky. If I can line that up there, there we go. It looks like we are sitting pretty close to 3.5 inches, it looks like. And the mounting hole diameter is 3/16 inch, if that's something that you were wondering about. But again, it should be a pretty simple installation. Just be mindful you will have to pick up that hardware and butyl tape on your own. If you have any other questions about this or any of the other products that we carry here at eTrailer.com, don't hesitate to reach back out to us. We do want to make sure that you're getting exactly what you want and need. Well, again, my name is Andy. Thank you for joining me.